Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to Gajin Garage. And what I've been doing for the past few days, I didn't want to record nothing. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. I've been working on the CRX. So when I say I've been working on the CRX, the car has a, you turn the key, I'm trying to see the motor turn over, and I thought I had an electrical issue with the starter, in the wire harness itself. I can hear the starter going clack clack, you know, think it's not enough power to start a car. So of course, if you're a cool Honda owner like me and you have this, this right here is my rig. I rigged this myself, and I'm going to show you. It's a push start. And basically what I do, this goes to the fuse box, this goes to the starter, and this black one, my ground. I connect it, and I can stand in front of the car like this, and as the car starts, and I can watch the car move, and I can, you know, be myself away from the engine bay without me being there, starting the key, whatever. I can stand over here and I can go clack clack, and I can watch the car go. Well, I thought it was a issue with I thought it was an issue with the harness or ground problem first. It's not. I'm gonna show you what the issue is. That battery right there. That battery is too small to crank over the car. I don't know why. I charge it. I even put my this one right here, and right now I'm charging this one right now. This can start a truck. You know what I mean? So right now it's charging. When I get it fully charged, I'll try one more time. It's not. Lights comes on. Everything comes on. But I having that problem. Same reason that I had the problem with my CRX. That car, watch my videos back, maybe 5 years, 6 years ago. I bought an Odyssey battery and I'm trying to start the car with it. Car will not start. What happened? I went to an OEM one. Car starts right away, runs beautiful, no problem. I don't know. I'm gonna try one more time. As soon as I get it done in charge, I'm gonna put a full charge on that thing. Not today. I'm gonna start it up because the car is almost done. And besides that, I have to do. Car's almost done. Literally, before I go back there and look at the fuel pump problem, no problem. I'm connected to the fuel pump because I got it disconnected right now, so I can turn over the motor. As soon as I can hear this motor turn over, then I move back there, and I get the fuel pump connected, and all that's connected to here, so I can hear the fuel pump. You know what I mean? Hear the fuel pump turn over, or whatever, turn it over, and that's it. I haven't bleed out the clutch yet, because I was working on that. I had to put the wiper motor on it. On that, I have to grab a virgin harness from another car and run it, and then get another harness from another one that he has. We got here this extra one. We're gonna cut this harness right here, right there. We're gonna cut that harness. I'm gonna make a jumper harness so we can jump it from there to the back and the car starts. Now, one more thing. When I was, where the hell I put it now? Last week, when I was trying to start the car up, behind this, I was gonna say it's behind the fuse box on this car right here. You see that wide box right here? Hold on, let me get you there. This white box right here, and behind the fuse box, that was making noise. And this relay is for the signal light, hazard lights, was making noise. So I replaced them, both of them. I got them replaced, put them on, and the noise went away. Everything went away. Now I got everything powered up. All the lights works, everything works, but no starting. Again, when that happens, it's two things. It can be a background, and I check all my grounds. Two, also can be a starter issue that we are going to do later on. I'm just waiting for that to start there. I want to take the starter out, and I'm going to do the starter checkup right here in front of you so you can see how I do it. If the starter comes in and comes out normally, that means that that battery is too small for that car. It's going to need a new setup of battery. That's what that means. That means that all the harness that I did, everything that I did has to come out. That setup that he has right there has to go, has to buy a new setup, or put a second battery in the trunk. That does not recommend that. Hopefully I can charge that battery. Charge it enough so you can crank the damn battery, crank it up and let it run. Let it do everything. So, with that said, that's where I am right now. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do the starter in a few minutes. I'm going to put it out here. I'm going to put it right in the floor, and I'm going to show you where I got the box right here. Cool. I'm going to show you how to do it so we can, if in the future, we can do that. Now, besides that, look what I bought. If you don't know what this is a spark plug tool that goes on the K, on the single cam. I don't need an extension cord no more. That thing drops right in, and you put your socket right here. Boop, take it right out. You get stock. You can use this one right here. You can take it out too. I saw one of my guys, a friend of mine, have one. I'm like, where you got that from? And he told me the name of it. I went and got it. $27. Got it, bro. All right, stay tuned. Let me see what I hope stay tuned. As soon as I get that done, I'm sorry, I have a vlog out. As soon as I get that charged, I'll show you. I'll take the starter out. Take me about a few minutes to take the starter out. We can put it on the floor and check it. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So a couple hours later, finally got this charged up. Actually, still charging, but I'm gonna test this out real quick. How you gonna do this? You get a jump box like this. Very easy. Put one to the positive right here, to the wire, attach it to this positive, put the ground to the side, grab this right here. See how it's coming out? Look. So, what that means, it means that the starter is good, and I knew about it. That's what I want to confirm. The second thing is telling me that the battery is probably too small, dead, for the car. So how are you gonna check the battery, Freddy? Good question, guys. So you gotta grab one of these right here. This one have a little clock in the side that tells you what percentage the battery is. So what you're gonna do, after you get the ground on, come to the ground again. You grab the ground, turn the battery. All right, and you touch it, nothing coming on, nothing, she's dead. So before anybody comes and tells me, Freddy, grab a ground from somewhere else, I'm doing that right now. Grabbing the chassis, so all right, there you go. I did it to the battery, and I did it towards the battery. Put the other end of this thing to one end, into the other. If the battery have power, something like this would happen. Hold on. Jesus Christ, guys! I need a tripod. If you have power, right, you will connect to something like this. See, right now it's off. There's no power. As soon as you put power on this, boom, wash. See it? As soon as you put power on this, you will have a 12 volt straight to it. So that means that battery is completely dead. So that's good news. We don't have to buy a starter. Starter's working great. So now we are going to have to charge up the battery. And what I'm going to do, I have this trigger charger that charges very, very slow. So what I'm going to put it on, let it charge for the night. Let's see how, how that comes out. And then we go from there. So, saying goodbye to Florida. Nice sunset. Love my sunsets out here in my house. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous sunsets. So, with that said, guys, I'm about to say goodnight. Just a quick update and video about what's going on with the CRX. My last video you're gonna see, you saw me. I went through a couple hills and you know, troubleshooting the CRX, and that's what I'm doing right now. So the starter, I heard it click. Well, the fuses are good. The starter's working. So now I'm gonna put the start later on. I'm gonna put the starter back on the car. Then I'm gonna fully charge that battery for 3 or 4 days. Test it. See if you got 12 volts. You got 12 volts. Then I hit it to back up the 12 volts with my box, and hopefully the car make noise. And the car made noise, and that means that we can move on to the fuel pump, turn it on, and get the car set up for that. Guys, have a good night. It's a short video. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. And for my all local subscribers, if you see me in the hangout, come on, say goodbye. Go say goodbye. Always say hello to me. I'll got my camera with me 24/7 when I go out. Just come and say, hey Freddie, what's up? Do you want to be on YouTube? That's the way I want to be on YouTube. I'll grab the camera and then we can go and talk to you about it, whatever it is. All the local subscribers, or my local fan crew over here, from Ray, Eduardo, Alex, and all those guys. Thank you for always subscribing, always being there for me, man. Hit like, hit share, subscribe. You guys always, every time you see me in the street, so you respect. Thank you guys. If I forget anybody, love you guys. See you later. Juan, I know you're watching in Japan. W-O-N-N. W-O-N. You know you're watching. You know what we gotta do. Bring one from over there here. Guys, see you later. Again, look at that beautiful sunset. Peace out, guys.